PSTR Krishnamal College for Women is an autonomous college affiliated to Bharatiyar University in Tamil Nadu. The college has been ranked 14th among colleges in India under the MHRD NIRF ranking 2017. PSTR Krishnamal College for Women is founded on the premise of women empowerment and is recognized for nurturing women leaders through skill development. The institution imparts education to more than 7,000 students from undergraduate to doctoral levels. The Department of Science and Technology SEED-sponsored PSTR Krishnamal College for Women Rural Women Technology Park is located at Pillayappan Palayam, Annur Taluk, Coimbatore, was established with sponsorship from DST, Government of India in April 2015 on 1.5-acre land donated by the Pillayappan Palayam village people in appreciation of the good work done by the students of the NSS team of PSTR Krishnamal College for Women over the years. A proud testimony to public-private partnership. The promoters of PSTR Krishnamal College for Women invested about Rs 1.5 crore for the construction of the buildings and necessary infrastructure. The DST has sanctioned a grant of about Rs 53 lakhs. The primary aim of the RWTP is to empower rural women through demonstration of feasible projects and transfer of proven technologies. It is intended to improve their livelihood and quality of life by imparting necessary entrepreneurial skills.
The technology imparted in Rural Women Technology Park include areca leaf plates. Areca leaf plates are traditionally made by hand in Indian villages. Areca leaf plates are eco-friendly products which are completely biodegradable in a short period of time. In Tamil Nadu, the total area under cultivation is 67,000 per hectare and net production was 0.86 lakh tons. Areca nut trees leaves behind enormous quantity of areca nut husk, sheath and leaves. The production process of areca leaf plates is by placing the withered areca sheath on the lower die platen with a temperature of more than 60 degrees Celsius. Then the pedal is pressed down and is released after a few seconds. It varies on the thickness of the sheath and variety. It is economically feasible and break-even point is 53.91%. The income generated by the incubatee is Rs 10,000 per month.
Bakery is one of the oldest among the food processing activities. An estimated 78,000 bakeries operate in India. The production of bread is estimated at 11.5 lakh tons and biscuits at 7.8 lakh tons. In this sector, 25 to 30% of production is from organized sector units. Bakery products are an item of mass consumption. In view of its low price and with rapid growth and changing eating habits of people, bakery products have gained popularity among masses of the sector overall. The growth rate of bakery products has been tremendous in both urban and rural areas. Increased number of working women, change in Indian meal pattern, increased income, urbanization, etc. has increased the demand for bakery products.
Banana is the second most important fruit crop in India next to mango. In Tamil Nadu, the banana is cultivated in 1 lakh hectares. Presently, the banana pseudostem has been discarded as waste in most of the states of India. Products that are made out of banana fiber have very good market. Due to the relatively high cost of synthetic fibers and health hazards, it becomes necessary to explore natural fibers.
Shade net is used in Rural Women Technology Park for the production and distribution of healthy, uniform, disease-free hybrid vegetable seedlings to the farming community. To serve as a training cum demonstration unit for unemployed youth to motivate them for establishing community nurseries. Farmers had accepted the benefit of raising nursery in portrays rather than in nursery bed. Because of better establishment of seedlings in main field, farmers feel that gap filling is much minimized as portray seedlings established well. Employment generation for the youth in the rural areas.
The Rural Women Technology Park also imparts skill training programs in sanitary napkin production, potable water production and biobriquettes production from agricultural waste.
Project area of Rural Women Technology Park is Annur block of Coimbatore district, which has 21 panchayats with 161 villages. As of 2017, totally 3250 women are benefited from 14 panchayats and 150 women are in the process of taking entrepreneurship.